Real fight is between NDA and Jan Suraj in Bihar polls, says Prashant Kishore. Tejasvi Yadav launches attack on NDA, says Bihar is eager for change. Rahul Gandhi returns to Bihar campaign trail, NDA questions long absence. Bihar politics boil over Waqf row, RJD vows to scrap Waqf Act. Hello and welcome to the Bihar Election Tracker, your go-to source for key updates as the state prepares for a high-stakes assembly election. I am Muskan, bringing you the latest from the campaign trail. Let's dive into the details. In a significant political development ahead of the Bihar Assembly elections, Prashant Kishore has said that the upcoming polls will be a bipolar contest between the National Democratic Alliance and his party Jan Suraj. Prashant Kishore asserted that the Mahagathbandhan led by the RJD and Congress under the India bloc will be pushed to the third position in this election. The statement marks a sharp shift in Bihar's political narrative as Jan Suraj chief positions Jan Suraj as a credible alternative to both the ruling alliance and the opposition bloc. He suggested that public sentiment in Bihar is changing rapidly, with voters looking beyond traditional political setups. He also took a sharp dig at RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav, saying that his poll promises have no sense at all. Listen in.
मेरे भाई ऐसा है, महागठबंधन तीसरे नंबर पे है, लड़ाई एनडीए और जनसुराज के बीच में है। अब कुछ भी कह दें, पिछले 5 दिनों में अगर आप तेजस्वी यादव और महागठबंधन की घोषणाओं को देखेंगे तो उसका कोई सिर पैर नहीं है। कुछ भी कह रहे हैं, इसलिए कह रहे हैं कि चाहते हैं कि रेस में आए, रेलेवेंट बने। कोई ट्रैक्शन नहीं है, कुछ देखने वाला कोई नहीं।
As the Bihar Assembly elections draw closer, Rashtriya Janata Dal RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav has launched a sharp attack on the NDA. Addressing a press conference, Tejasvi Yadav said that Bihar is eager for change, calling the upcoming polls an election to build a new Bihar. He said, and I quote, "Just as stagnant water start to rot, the same has happened with the NDA government."
भी हम लोग जा रहे हैं, भारी तादाद में हर जात, हर वर्ग, हर धर्म के लोग साथ देने के लिए भारी संख्या में सभाओं में आ रहे हैं और लोग जो है मौजूदा सरकार से परेशान हैं और बिहार सरकार को बदलना चाहते हैं। 20 साल पुरानी विजनलेस खटारा जो सरकार है, भ्रष्टाचार, अपराध चरम पर हो गया है।
After nearly 2 months of absence from Bihar's political scene, Congress leader and Lok Sabha leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi is set to return the campaign trail. On October 29, he will address his first rally in the state alongside RJD leader and Mahagathbandhan's chief minister Tejasvi Yadav. The duo is scheduled to hold joint rallies in Muzaffarpur and Darbhanga, marking a renewed push by the India bloc in the poll-bound state. Rahul Gandhi's absence so far has sparked questions from the ruling NDA, which accused the Congress MP of staying away from Bihar's crucial electoral battle. At a rally that has now sparked a major political firestorm, RJD leader and India bloc's chief minister Tejasvi Yadav declared that if his alliance comes to power, they would, and I quote, "throw the Waqf law into the dustbin." The ferocious remark has quickly snowballed into controversy. The BJP was quick to pounce, branding the RJD as a party of Jungle Raj and accusing Tejasvi Yadav of resorting to polarizing politics out of sheer desperation ahead of elections. Union Minister Kiren Rijiju also remarked on Tejasvi's statement, calling the statement irresponsible and divisive, saying that such remarks show the India bloc's double standard on secularism. The RJD, however, insists the comment was taken out of context, claiming Tejasvi was referring to amending provisions of the Waqf Act that allegedly allow land misuse.
उनकी हताशा है। पहले कहा कि हम सबको घर में नौकरी दे देंगे, सरकारी नौकरी। 2,70,00,000 हैं बिहार में हाउस होल्ड। सरकारी नौकरी का औसत होता है वेतन 35 से 40 हजार, तो ये 12 लाख करोड़ कहां से लाएंगे, जबकि बिहार का टोटल बजट ही है 3 लाख करोड़ का। ऊपर से कहे कि हम 1,26,00,000 जीविका दीदी को परमानेंट कर देंगे, अब कहते हैं ये कर देंगे। बिहार वासियों, इस धोखे में मत आना। लालू जी, तेजस्वी जी का एक ही मॉडल है, जमीन दो नौकरी लो, जमीन दो होटल लो, रेलवे का उसी का ट्रायल चल रहा है। तो आपकी जमीन भी छीन लेंगे, नौकरी वोकरी नहीं देंगे, और वैसे भी कोई उनका रोड मैप नहीं है। तो ये शुद्ध भाषा में, हताशा में बिहार के लोगों को एक प्रकार से लुभावनी बातें कह रहे हैं जो जमीन पर कभी नहीं होती।
For daily in-depth updates on everything shaping Bihar's political landscape, stay tuned to NDTV's Bihar Election Tracker.